Bum 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 bum. Hey guys, Thunder E here. That was my failed attempt of humming a Star Wars theme, but I have BB-8 with me. Yes, I was one of those who I didn't go out to to Walmart to purchase it. I got it online. You can get it from Spiro. They have it online there. It's $150. This is the app-enabled BB-8. So, I mean, once I saw this was available, I had to get it myself. So here we are. Here is what we have right here. So let's take a look at the packaging before we open this bad boy up. It says inductive charging base, wireless power transfer, electromagnetic field, traitware, engaging personality, legendary loyalty, app-enabled guidance, hardware extremely agile, galactic standards for droid excellence. Yeah, Disney is gonna be making so much money already. The movie's not even out. So BB-8 enabled. BB-8 is a spherical, loyal, asymmetric droid of the resistant pilot Poe Dameron, built with advanced traitware skills, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. I cannot wait. Okay, so I've gone ahead and downloaded the app anyway. And authentic movements, listens and responds. BB-8 recognizes your voice and reacts. Holographic communication. Oh, sweet. Autonomous behavior. All right, let's do this. This is always the hard part, taking it out. Okay, lift that up. Maybe you can see that. It says Star Wars. There we go. Open this up. Some instructions here. Of course, use your power up the inductive charging base. Place it on there. Place it on top. Download app. Boom, boom, boom. All right, cool. So, first things first. This is the inductive charging base for BB-8. Of course, this connects via micro USB, and it's a very simple looking base. Set that aside, take this off. Of course, we have BB-8 here, and we've got his top. Boom, that's it. Literally, it's magnetically held. And it's interesting, it's got wheels underneath. That's probably why it allows it to roll while this is rolling at the same time. Although the magnet is not everywhere, so there's a certain area right there. And then we'll drop him and we'll charge. Anything else in the box? Of course. Pull this open. What else do we have here? Okay, Star Wars BB-8 app enabled. Spiro. Of course, we have a guidebook, blah, blah, blah. And then we have our micro USB cable. So we're gonna charge him up and let's take a closer look at him. Just look at him before we do anything else. This thing looks pretty awesome. It's much smaller than I thought. I don't know why I thought it was bigger. I guess because the box is bigger, but I'm gonna charge him up and then we will go ahead and fire him up.